Today we try a new experiment called zinc powder. What happens when mix zinc powder and little bit iodine? Now with now I will try use a little bit iodine crystal. There are iodine crystals right there in spoon. Add few amount of iodine crystal and same amount of zinc powder. Zinc experiment with after when add one drop of water. See what's happening. Little bit, not much more equal amount. I think it is equal, but it's a mix very well, careful and well. They generate little bit fumes, so they can damage. Be carefully, lots of careful. Anything never that at home, at any places, so they very harmful, extremely harmful, extremely explosive when mixed with equal amount of zinc and iodine crystals. Iodine and crystals. Now if take little bit adding water into it, there is a magic. Now it's time to add water. First take aside, be carefully fill with water proper and be carefully add 2 drops. Not much, just 2 drops. It's generate little bit purple. It is a generate purple gas. It is a lot of purple fumes. It's one generate a magic fumes. Now add more water, it's not working. But all this works zinc plus dust plus iodine crystal. Zinc iodide, this is the exothermic reaction. It's a very play that this is the change the fumes it to iodine, it create a fumes and give a toxic fumes. Now we come next experiment with next day. So this experiment is done.